Hello my friends, welcome to Inside Electronic Design. I'm Misha. Today we have another product review on the bench. This is Ginto Yun, fine Chinese made plastikuye cable. So these are cables with the barrel connector termination. So let's see what we got. We got two cables. So what I need, because I have this soldering iron right here with this dinky cable, so I decided to replace with something thick and beefy. Let's see and hope this is gonna fit in here. Okay, this seems like fit. I hope, yeah, seems like it's gonna be alright connection, because a lot of energy, especially at 4 or 5 amps, are getting lost here. So it's efficiency of the cable is, not so good. Unfortunately, this is just a vinyl, how do you call it, cable. It's like ATC rated cables. It's not silicone or anything like that. So yeah, but it is 16 American wire guide, so that's really good. So today we're gonna do a few tests with this cable, and maybe we will replace this little dinky cable with these barrel connectors with the for my soldering iron right here. So this soldering pen, it's kind of cheesy and annoying, but I like it. See my review about this guy over here. In same time, this was like makeshift solution, which actually turns almost into permanent solution. Okay. Well, what's happened here? It's like deformed. Yeah. Those are cheapo as well, so yeah, well, I have one test to do, because one of the YouTubers I noticed was testing some of the, those cables, got cheapo cables for the fact that they are made actually not from copper, not from aluminium clad CLA, copper clad aluminium, but just from iron clad with aluminium or copper or something like that, which is kind of ridiculous. But for that we need to use some special tools. So here we are. This is the magnet. So this is a flashlight. We have our handy tool right here, and then let's see what are those cables, what they made of. Okay, that's positive. There is no iron here. At least it's maybe aluminium. That's good. That's good as well. How about this old cable? Whoa, wait a second. Are you kidding me? Let me see. Did they actually claim this is like gold-plated copper? No way. What the jerks. How the hell is this supposed to come apart? I don't remember by now. I just forgot. I think this is supposed to be unscrewable, but looks like it's, yeah. I see. Oh, it's supposed to be soldered right here. Okay, let me check this thingy. Oh, wait a second. Oh, it's a spring, just springy thingy right here is metal, like, sorry, metal. All of this is metal. Like this springy stuff is iron or something magnetic. I don't know. It is really hard to tell what they MacGyvered here. Anyways, this is not the video I want it to be, but like, and you can see this is aluminium because I kind of scraped it. Yeah, well, I mean, this is like deformed. This got melted or something. Or maybe just because wire was kind of sticking here. So yeah, this is my solution how to, kind of connect it. Not the best solution, obviously, was losing some energy here as well. So this has to go. But like this wire is okay for like, 12 volt for 400 milliamps or something. Oh my god, this is so cheesy. I don't know. Could I use this? I'm not even sure if I want to use that. If I'm gonna use them, I definitely have to solder it. I just uncoiled this cable. I'm not sure. Maybe regretting that 16. Yeah, it's very. I don't like it, honestly. Maybe I'll use it for something else, because look at this. It became like so massive. It's unwieldy actually. Wow. Maybe it was based on it wasn't expensive, but like it's unwieldy almost. It's just this soldering iron already like big, but with this kind of sticking out here, it becomes like massive. So, and this is not disassemblable, so I can't really. Yeah, this wire is actually quite thin for what. Yeah, for this insulation. Insulation is pretty thick. Wires is thin, but looks like it's copper at least. Okay. Wow. I can give it a try, but that doesn't look promising, honestly. Okay, I actually decided to go with it, so I'll give it a try. Unless, if it's not gonna go, I'm just gonna, use this as a just pigtail to my power supply and to power some devices which need this kind of barrel connector. Alright, we need a little bit more wire right here, and I still don't have a wire stripper because it was busted in one of my previous videos. Alright, I stripped a little bit more wire here. Let me just try to thin it a little bit more. Need some flux. Don't have any better dispenser. Let's thin it even better. Let's try to thin this one a bit better. Alright, let's add some flux. Let's melt some solder inside this thing. Alright, let's take. Okay, now when we finish soldering, we're just gonna insert this back in here and yeah, that's hard, but something like that, like in here. Okay, theoretically you can even connect these guys like this, right? Okay, so now it's time to try our soldering iron number 2. It reports almost the right voltage. It's pretty cool. And it's gonna heat up very fast because of this. Yeah, 350 already. That was pretty quick. The wire is not... Yeah, it sucks. But what can I do? Well, it might be working. I don't know. Seems to be okay. Yeah, almost. Yeah, voltage is almost the same. What's on power supply? It says 23.9. Here is 23.5. Okay. So it's sagging a little bit, but yeah, it's not too bad. Okay, so I think this cable, except the fact that it's pretty badly kind of stiff, because it's thick cable, it's not too bad. Yeah, it can be useful. At the end of story, I can use it as a feeder to some of the devices which need some substantial power, because this can carry some current. Yeah. All right, I think this is success. Just need to clean the other soldering iron. I forgot to do this before putting it to sleep. I think these Ginto Yun cables are okay and they can be useful. So yeah, we will keep them around and we will use them when we need that. It seems to be a decent cable. And one thing I forgot to do, just let's slice it a little bit and see if this is actually copper or whatever. Yeah, it's aluminium. Let me just look with the lens here. Actually, it's really hard to say. Just slice a little bit more. I just slice like this. Just want to see if it's a copper-clad aluminium or actually copper. Yeah, it is. Looks like it's copper-clad aluminium, because if you look, it's really hard to show you, eh? Yeah, it's actually white, shiny. Not. I thought this is like it's gonna be like a solder. No, it's I cut it beyond solder. I can cut it even down, further down. Oh, let's cut it one more time. Oh, maybe I'm mistaken. Maybe it still was a solder. Let's see again. Huh? What do you know? It actually looks so much better. Now it's quite coppery looking. Yeah. I'll eat my head if this is copper. All right. Well, I will retin it, no problem. But it's a good surprise. Seems like it's copper looking kind of material at least. Well, not iron. All right, guys. So, I mean, if you get this cheap, I would recommend. It's not like it looks like it's copper cable as it's supposed to be. There is no iron anywhere, not even here. So yeah, that's good. That's good. Well, recommended. So guys, thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos and reviews like this, please subscribe, like my channel, comment. I'll be happy to hear from you. Stay safe and ciao.